Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys the Memorydex cards I created for the Memorydex Card All Year collab that I'm doing with Markeisha, who is Sweet Papery Treasures. We are creating Memorydex cards all year. We basically come on once a month and we share the Memorydex cards we create. You can play along also by using the hashtag. I will leave it in the screen. Basically, just post your video anytime that you like, however many times you like, and just use the hashtag so we can find your video. You can also do a post on Instagram. Just use the hashtag. We have two people that have been playing along with us. We have Rhonda. Her YT channel is Rhonda's Got a Project. And also Tanya, her YT channel is Memory Lane Keepsakes. They've been playing along with us and we've been having a lot of fun. And we welcome more if you would like to play along as well. I will leave their channels, a link to their channel below, as well as Markeisha, so you can check out everybody and see what they've done. I'm in several collaborations with Markeisha. We have playlists created for those collabs, so check below for all of that information and enjoy those playlists and play along. And I hope that it inspires you to create as well. So let's just get started. I'm going to share with you first off the products that I used to create Memorydex card number 1. I pulled out my Heidi Swap Memorydex punch. This is actually the first time I've used this punch, so I was super excited to use this. I pulled out the Mushroom House die by Cottage Cuts. The KS Craft die. I used this one. This is also the first time that I used this die, so I was super excited about that. The papers I played with is Peppermint Latte. I love this by Not Too Shabby Shop. I love how vibrant the colors are in this paper pack. And also I used an ephemera piece from the ephemera pack as well. And then I pulled out some character dies by AliExpress in my stash, Smurfette and Papa Smurf. So you can see where I'm going with this Memorydex card. So here is Memorydex card number 1. I love to create really fun and cutesy projects at times. And the Smurfs was one of my favorite cartoons growing up. So I wanted to capture that by creating a Memorydex card. So this is how it turned out. You can see Smurfette and Papa Smurf there. I used the cute little ephemera of the balloons in the background. You can see the vibrant colors from that paper stack. It really fits the theme for the Smurfs. And also I checked off an item from my to-do list. I wanted to create the album sleeve Memorydex card. And I first saw this ideal on Paper Sweet's channel. And I followed a tutorial for it. So I will link the tutorial below if you guys want to follow it and create one for yourself. But I love this ideal and I wanted to create. So here is the cute little album and how it turned out. I went with the two-tone on the album, the blue and then the black on the album there. And then for the Smurfs, I created that title and offset using my scan and cut machine. And then you can see the cute little mushroom house. I used that to, for the Smurfs house. But this is so fun and such a cute project. And I just love how it turned out. And the little album just sticks right back down in there like that. Here is the back right here. So I went ahead and put my information on that. So that is Memorydex card number 1. I love it, you guys. I love how this one turned out. Let me share with you the products that I used to create Memorydex card number 2. I pulled out my all-time favorite Memorydex die by AliExpress. It also comes with the stamp set. I didn't use the stamp set. I just used the die. That's my favorite. Then I pulled out some embellishments by the Paper Studio. I played with this new paper collection that I picked up from Frank Garcia Studio. This is Graphic 45 collection, and it's called Let It Be collection. Love, love, love this collection. This is so different for me. I cannot recall creating with Graphic 45 papers. So when I saw this collection, I thought it was fun and cute. And plus, I'm preparing for a 101 bee theme swap. So I thought this would be really fun to play with. So I pulled this out. I used the honeycomb embossing folder. And then I pulled out another die that I haven't played with yet that I recently purchased from Frank Garcia. This is a little suitcase die. You can see how big this die is. And it's by the Mint Feather. You can see that. I'll put it in the screen. But I first saw this die on Marianne's Craft Corner. She shared it and I really loved it. It was super cute and I wanted to play with it. So I picked it up. And this was really fun to play with. The fun thing about this die is you don't have to do a lot of multiple cutting. You cut everything basically out one time. The only dies you'll have to cut out twice is this die right here. And then I think this die right here. The rest of it is just one pass. I didn't use all of these little dies here because I have the handle embellishment. But I did use this tiny little tag here. All right, so let me share with you what I came up with. You can see the theme and where I'm going. So I had to create a box first to house my Memorydex cards. So this is how the box turned out. You can see the embossing I did on the top of the box. I used a chipboard piece from the collection, one of these cute little bee stickers from my collection, a cute little flower. I also used the border stickers from the collection on the box. And I love how this turned out. It needed a box, so that's why I created the box for it. And I love this sunflower wishes and honeybee kisses. That is so cute. So let me share with you how my Memorydex card turned out. I put some little yellow shred in there. So this is how it turned out, you guys. I love the cute little suitcase. And it's functionable, you guys. You can actually open it up. And I have some mini bee embellishments inside. But I'm not going to open it because this is for a swap. And, you know, I got it all nicely tied. And I want it to stay that way. So you can see how the cute little suitcase turned out. I used one of those stickers, the border stickers here on the suitcase. I put one of these cute bees on here, some stickers. Here's the cute little tag. I added a cute bee onto the little tag. I used this chipboard piece from another collection. I'll leave it in the screen. This is a sticker from my stash. You can see the honeybee embossing on the Memorydex card. And the fun thing about it is this bee actually extends because it's one of those little wire bees. So it can extend out. That's what makes it super fun. And what I did was I just took the wire from this bee and wrapped it around this chipboard here, the end of the S on that chipboard. And this is so fun and it's just so cute and it looks so springy. So this is how it turned out. You can see the handle. I think that looks a lot better than paper in my opinion. I love a lot of dimension. So that's why I went with this option as my handle. And here's the back. I put my information on it. It's super sturdy. I use mat board, you know, on it. So it can be really super sturdy. But I love how this cute little suitcase turned out. You can see the papers I used on the top of the suitcase, the cute little bee there. And then here's the bottom of it. So this is so fun and so cute. So I created two today. So this is how my two Memorydex cards turned out. I love how they turned out. Which is your favorite? Leave a comment below and let me know which is your favorite. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share, do all of that good stuff. Make sure you check out Markeisha as well to see what she's created for your inspiration. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.